Welcome to Reflective Fashion Production. This is Mondays with Monica Maliyah. So Maliyah is taking a nap. I'm actually in the process of cutting vegetables. Prince is just walking around. She might get up in the middle of it. We were supposed to post a video last week. We did it. I just didn't finish editing, and I was just like, I want to really start doing Mondays with Monica and Maliyah again like we used to. But it's difficult sometimes because she get out of school and then she just go take a nap. Like, that's literally what she doing. I heard Prince. I was like, what is he doing? Are they just running around? Because that's what we do sometimes. Like, I was running back and forth with him, and then I let him run and up and down the steps because it's snow outside. Not only is it snow outside, but it's black ice. What are you doing in here? Get out. And we went out earlier. I was trying to walk him. First of all, it was so cold. Secondly, I almost bust my butt. And I'm over 35. So if I fall down, it's a no good. It's no good, like, at all. If you go sit down, I'll give you a pepper. Go sit down, I'll give you a pepper. Go sit down. Go. He not listening. So I'm actually making, I thought I grabbed some tilapia, but I didn't. I grabbed catfish. So I'm going to try my best to make a catfish Philly. I ain't never did that before, but I'm about to tonight. I'm hungry. And then I got some chicken from Maliyah, which I have no idea what she wants. I was going to make some pasta, but I still got time to do that. I got some broccoli over there. But I'm really excited because, like Love Luxury, this week we're going to do face-to-face. And I met two young ladies this weekend, which, really inspired me. So I figured, let's start this month off right. So, like, I'm going to really be talking about skincare. So, and I think that that's important, but to be honest with you, I am a licensed cosmetologist. I deal with the surface level. I don't deal with acne prone skin. That is something that a dermatologist or esthetician will do. And I actually have an esthetician. She specializes in that. So if that's something that you are interested in, like when you have acne prone skin, I can actually leave her information in a link so you could have it, because I think it's important. Like, skincare is very important. Skin, hair, body, that's what it's all about when it comes to reflective fashion beauty. When it comes to reflective fashion production, it's creating a lifestyle. So what lifestyle do you want to live? Because honestly, I wasn't going to come in here and cook nothing at all. Would you go? I have orange peppers, and he could smell them. I normally have the gate up, but I took the gate down because, like I said, Maliyah's asleep. I hope she get up in a minute. She's been asleep for a while. I need to find out if she got homework. I got a tomato here. And I was supposed to cook this on Friday, so I'm like real late at cutting my vegetables. So I have to make sure I cut all my vegetables today. I have some cucumbers. I thought I just bought some avocados. I'm gonna have to look, because that's not bad. He wants some. We were supposed to do a Prince tale yesterday, and we didn't get a chance to. What were we doing yesterday? Here. Here. You hear him? He literally like ran out. He coming back in. I cannot, like, I'm excited because I can't wait until we can get it together and move. We need some more space. Because Prince is a big boy. Okay, and I'm getting sleepy. I want to go take a nap. So I wonder what you guys is Saturday, Monday. Today is Monday. What your Monday was like. You should drop a comment below and tell me about your Monday. Okay. I'm gonna go get Maliyah. Here. Go get Maliyah. Dinner was good. Feel like I cooked dinner at a decent time, even though I should have started at lunch, but I'm not feeling very well. Here's Maliyah. She was missing. No, she can sit right here. You sit down. No, all three. You got the whole chase. Sit down. Prince is doing the most. I think he wants to come and talk to Maliyah.
You talked to me earlier. You're in my bed.
So, the other day I was talking to some younger girls. I think they were like preteen.
You told me.
But I think what we should start doing for like Love Luxury is do like, don't do that to him. Both of y'all stop. Sit down. No, don't be mean. Sit down. No, you're not coming over here. Why? No, that's not nice. Sit. What? You're talking back. You need to sit down. Yes. No. Sit down. Don't put your paw up. Good boy. That's a sit. That's a sit. No. No biting. No biting. Lay down. Good boy. For Like Love Luxury, we're gonna start doing mostly trending face care. So say for instance, like I use Fenty. Sorry about that. So what I was saying is that for Like Love Luxury, so face to face, we're going to do trending beauty care. I think that'd be kind of cool because, you know, that's what it is. Like Love Luxury, I started that off when I was in cosmetology school. I wanted to talk about the different products. Get down. Do you want us to rub you? Is that what you want? Okay. Oh, okay, baby. You want to just be baby. So I started the different products, just wanting to review them. And I think that that would be a good idea to review them. And Maliyah's going to say what she likes. What kind of face stuff do you like on your face? What do you like to use? Whatever I get.
Yeah, or whatever I find Five Below.
Five Below. Okay, yeah, you do find some good stuff. She does find some good stuff. And some of that stuff is actually at Sephora, if you didn't know. I think go get that basket and see if it's still some stuff in there. Well, don't get it because it's that big basket with the drawers. Do you still have like the face mask? No, you use them all. So some of those face masks are actually, that's at Five Below or at Sephora too. It really just depends on what it is. But I think that we're gonna start talking about that. We used to do that back in the day. Like, I actually have some for my eyes, under my eyes. I have some little mask for under my eyes because I do have dark spots. Can you see them? You do too. You need to go to sleep.
I took a nap.
Drink more water. Not that energy drink. And that's another thing too.
I didn't drink an energy drink. I didn't drink no energy drink today. Or Saturday. Had water.
Okay. So I think that's important too. Like, I feel like you should at least drink 3 cups of water a day. I think that's really important. Prince, why did you throw that on the floor? You see him? This is what he got. He's so happy now. How are you feeling over there? How's your day going?
It's going.
So what you do at school today? Did you cook some good stuff and not bring it home to share?
We didn't cook anything. We're doing our serve safe manager stuff. So, yeah, we got this little book. What?
I wasn't expecting him to do that.
And we got another book. So, he said to bring it home just in case we had another snow day or virtual day.
That hurt. Where's his toy?
No. Right there.
I can't believe he did that to me. I'm trying to cut that out.
But yeah, we did that, and everybody was still in like second period when I got to school. So I said hi to Miss Ashley. I didn't stay long. I was trying to take her class, and then I went to gossip because I haven't seen her. Yeah. History was interesting. What are you doing?
What it is, yo? What's up? What's up?
But that's pretty much
Oh,
it.
yeah.
I don't have anything to eat for lunch.
I brought some lunch meat.
I didn't make it because I was running late for the bus.
Oh.
Then I couldn't make my lunch yesterday because I went to bed.
With that girl likes you. You went to bed?
Well, I took a shower and then I went to bed.
Oh, I got this stuff that I want to try. Oh, I forgot the name of it. You remember the name? What?
Oh, be careful.
Where are you going? This is a mess. Okay. We just wanted to come on here. I didn't post last Monday. We have a video for last Monday, but I think we might do a voiceover over that because it was too much going on. Prince was doing too much. Like he is right now. And he bit me. And then he had the audacity to try to kiss me. Oh, here he comes. No. Oh, help. Oh, gosh. Please don't mountain curl on me. Here. Should we put peanut butter on this? Oh, you want some peanut butter? Are you going to be good?
peanut butter. It's night time.
Yeah, it is night time. We should get a spray water
I
gun.
want a water gun. I said that, and you told me no.
Well, because he was little. Now he's a big boy. He said, I'm a big boy.
Why he make that?
What? No!
Fred, stop.
What?
Put this whole face in the camera. No one needs to see that. People say owners look like their dogs.
Do they? Do we look like Prince?
I think when Prince has his ears back and his eyes are wide open, and I mock him, that's when me and him look alike.
Oh. You and Prince look alike.
I should ask some people.
I don't look like Prince. I know he scratched me in the eye. That hurt.
Yeah, we like.
Does she look like Prince?
Not now. I'm struggling with this.
Why do they keep calling me?
What are you doing? A-boo! A-boo! A-boo!
Okay.
I'm missing. Yeah.
Come on so I can edit this. I'm going to have to.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Sharing is caring.
A-boo!
We'll see you soon.
A-boo! Keep missing.
Bye. 'Cause everyday people.